Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can extend your black or white videos on CapCut PC. So for instance, you want them as like an overlay, but it's just too short. If I added like for instance a 7-second video and I want this to be the overlay, it's just simply too short and I can't extend it. And I don't want the hassle of going to like a website to find just like a plain layer. So simply just select it and freeze frame it, delete the rest, and you can extend it however long you want the duration to be. And that's it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!